Hey guys, Steven here back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can easily create the star filter effect in Adobe Photoshop using Photoshop Actions. This is my first time ever hearing about Photoshop Actions. I'm actually going to be using a Photoshop Action from the Envato Elements marketplace called Star Filters Pro. You can essentially do this in a few clicks, and this has made the process a lot easier. This video is sponsored by Envato Elements, and I've been using Envato Elements for the past year on a few of my projects here and there. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also check out the Discord channel and Facebook group in the pinned comment below. And yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into it. So right here, we're on the product page and you can see the different examples that they've listed. They also show you the different variants of the star filter that you can create using their Photoshop action. I actually used a 6-point and 8-point star filter for my concert photography, if you've ever seen it. Usually I only see the 12-point, 8-point, 6-point, and 4-point star filters. I've never really seen these other ones, so it's cool that they give other options. So you just want to go ahead and download it. This is not free, however. You will have to get a subscription, but Envato Elements will be giving out 70% off to my subscribers, so you guys can check the link in the description. So with that subscription, you get unlimited downloads to whatever you want. There's different templates. The lower thirds you see in these videos are actually from Envato Elements. I'm actually using a photo from Envato Elements for this video. So let's just get straight into it. So right here, once you extract the zip file that you download, you just want to double click on the Photoshop action. So if you hover over, it says this is the Photoshop CC edition. So you just want to double click on it. And then it'll open up Photoshop. You want to go to Window Actions, and you can see right here under Actions, there's a new folder now. These are the default ones, but this is the star filter one we're working with. This is actually pretty simple. You can see that there's only 2 steps. One is to create a mask, and the other is to apply, whatever star filter you want. All you want to do is you want to click on Create Mask, and you want to press play. So right here it says the star filter will appear over the bright areas. Paint over any areas you do not want the star filter to appear. So you just want to leave the light. So right here, her face, we definitely don't want her face in it. I think this is her earrings on the side, so I'll keep those. You just want to paint over anything that's not light. What might be easier is you can just hide the clip tones, and you just want to, go over her face or anything you don't want. But because they're already covered in the most part, you don't really have to add anything else. Once you're done, you want to go back to Actions, and you want to click on the type of filter you want. So I'm going to go with 4 points, and I'm just going to press play. And you can see it do its magic on the side here. So you can see it's starting to develop. So right here, we're done. I'm going to press continue. And basically, there's different variants of each star filter. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And obviously right here, it's a little bit too bright. So you can obviously just turn down the brightness. And if you don't want it to be colored, maybe just make it a little bit more simplistic. You can just make it black and white. And then there you go. Overall, this is a really cool plugin, add-on, whatever you want to call it. I've never really seen this around. I think it's quite unique, and this really saves the hassle. I've made a video on this in the past, but it takes way longer and the effect doesn't turn out nearly as good. So once again, if you guys want to check out Envato Elements, make sure to check the link in the description, 70% off for you guys, as well as check out the Discord channel and Facebook group in the pinned comment. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't yet. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.